One Minute Money VIP Training Overview. Hi guys, welcome to the 1 Minute Money VIP Training, the ultimate resource for learning your way around the 1 Minute Money system and making money out of it. This is a step-by-step program where I'll give you over-the-shoulder lessons where I show you how to make the most out of your new 1 Minute Money membership. Our goal with this VIP training is that you not only learn how to use 1 Minute Money the right way so you don't get lost and can make the most out of your purchase, but also that you learn how to use it to make money online in mere minutes. Yes, we mean it, you can profit online thanks to 1 Minute Money in mere minutes from now. This exclusive, step-by-step training is divided into two parts. The first part of the training is all about learning how to use the 1 Minute Money platform, so in this series of videos we will show you step-by-step how each and every function works easily and quickly, so you don't get lost in any step of the process. The second part of the training is focused on teaching you proven profit-making strategies you can apply to start making money online the fastest way ever by using 1 Minute Money. Yes, guys, we will show you over our shoulders how to make money online with 1 Minute Money once and for all. And of course, easily and quickly. Guys, we do not want to waste your time more than you have already wasted by buying other money-making apps online. Are you ready to learn how to use 1 Minute Money the right way, and how to use it to easily make money with this system? Then let's begin. Finding out what people around the world are searching for. Hey guys, how are you doing today? If you want to succeed online, the first step you must accomplish is to find the right audience in the niche of your choice, and what better way than identifying their interest by searching the web. With the 1 Minute Money's Trend Finder, you will be able to find out what people around the world are searching for and doing it in less than a minute. Guys, using this function is exactly as it looks. Clean and simple. The first thing you should do is enter a search term or a topic. Our advice here is to target a topic you like. It is not mandatory, but it is always good for you to work with topics you already know or dominate the most. Another piece of advice to go with this search term: use only 1 or 2 words max, because the Trend Finder will be showing you longer search terms related to what you type here. And our last bit of advice before we show you how the Trend Finder works is to target at least one of the 10 best-selling most popular niches to make money online, which are fitness and weight loss, health, dating and relationships, pets, self-improvement, wealth building through investing, make money on the internet, beauty treatments, gadgets and technology, personal finance. With that being said, let me show you how the Trend Finder works. I would like to get into the health market. So, I will type the word health. Here I'm able to decide which country I would like to search trends from. I can just scroll through them, or simply type the country of my choice, or simply select worldwide. This feature is important to use because if you would like to target people who live in your country or in the country of your choice, you can just pick it and see what is trending there at a very specific time period as well. Something important for you to know is that it is commonly known that the top 5 countries which purchase the most over the web are the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. These are known as the top tier countries. Okay, so just decide the country you would like to identify trends from, and then you are able to decide the time period. This feature right here, guys, is really awesome too. This feature lets you identify during which period of time the related queries shown here are trending. You can select past 12 months, past hour, past 4 hours, past day, and all the way up to past 5 years. This is particularly important because if you would like to create a blog for posting news related to health, then knowing what topics are trending recently about health would be important to know to create content around it. And if you also would like to know what topics are evergreen, or in other words, topics which are always trending, then you can take a look at the related queries which have been trending for a longer time. And you can even refine your search even more by deciding which category you would like to target your topic on, because each word you use to search might mean something different in a specific category than in others. And finally, you can also decide which Google search platform you would like to base your search on. As you may know by now, Google is the most used search engine online, and the 1 Minute Money's Trend Finder is a tool created to identify trendy topics inside Google search platforms. So here you can also decide on which platform you would like to identify trendy topics from. And once you have decided all of these, just click on Search. And there you will find a list of related queries to the words you typed. By related queries we mean the exact words a lot of people, according to your parameters, are using to search information which are related to the words you typed in the search bar here. You will see up to 25 different entries, and you can sort them by rising and top. By rising we mean the queries with the biggest increase in search frequency since the last time period. Results marked breakout had a tremendous increase, probably because these queries are new and had few, if any, prior searches. And by top we mean the most popular search queries. Scoring is on a relative scale, where a value of 100 is the most commonly searched query, 50 is a query searched half as often as the most popular query, and so on. Something awesome you can do here as well is to deepen your search by clicking on any of these related queries here. This is something which lets you search among more specific topics inside your main topic. The deeper you go, the more target audience you will find, and that always translates to a more action-taking audience. Guys, there are so many ideas you can find here to build a highly targeted niche blog. You can make a list of topics and organize them by category, and create a blog with only trending topics so people will read what they are really interested in. And the last feature I would like to show you guys is this create post button right here. What this button will do is simply redirect you to the content poster to create a post using the related query as the title of the post. But you can do this once you have your website ready, so let's build your website in the coming video. See you guys there. Building your website with just a click. Hey guys, how are you doing today? If you want to succeed online, the second step you must accomplish is to have a website to target your audience. I know you might be thinking I will tell you to go and register a domain name by hosting, connect your domain to your hosting, and then experience a few more nightmares to build a website. Not at all, guys. With the OneMinuteMoney's website builder, you will be able to build a beautiful and professional looking, 100% working and ready to profit website in less than a minute as well, and with just one click. Guys, we have turned technology in your favor even more this time. You will be so impressed by what we have done for you this time. Here in the website builder, that's what you will do, build a website. But you won't do it like the traditional website builders around the web. Don't get me wrong, there are so many nice and awesome website builders online, but still, it would probably take you so long to build your website only by figuring out how to use the tool. Guys, we made it easier than ever. And it will only require just one click. Yeah, that's all you need. What you will do right here is simply add a keyword without any spaces. It can be something short and easy to remember as well. OneMinuteMoney will use the email you registered for accessing OneMinuteMoney as the default website login email. But you can add a different one if you want. An automatic website login password will also be generated for you. You can regenerate more of them and assign the one of your choice. And once you are ready with these, simply click on Build Website, and let the OneMinuteMoney do its magic. What OneMinuteMoney is doing right now is building up a beautiful and professional looking, 100% working and ready to profit website in WordPress, without you having to pay for domain registration, monthly hosting fees, and without you experiencing a few more nightmares in the process. Once the site is up and running, we strongly recommend not changing the email and password inside your WordPress dashboard, because that will make the content poster stop working. We will remind you about this instruction in every step of the training. Once your website is built, you will get a success warning, and you will get your website listed together with the other ones you have created. Here you will be able to visit your website. As you can see, it is a 100% secure website, up and running, waiting for you to start posting profit-making content to it. By the way guys, it is important to mention that we have not installed a limited free theme. This is a pro WordPress theme which will save you a lot more nightmares which free WordPress themes bring to everyone. Here you can log in to your WordPress dashboard. You can check your login details by clicking on this little eye icon. And there you have your 100% ads-free and peaceful WordPress installation. But we went even farther guys, and we also made it easier for you to get into your WordPress dashboard to do one of the most profitable and recurring activities you will do on your website, which is posting content. Yes, guys, you will be able to post to your WordPress website totally easily from inside OneMinuteMoney, and we will show you how to do it in a coming video. If you would like to give a better brand to your website, instead of using a OneMinuteMoney subdomain, here inside you will also be able to add a custom domain. And I will show you step by step how to do that in a coming video. And this button right here is to delete your website with just a click. Well guys, that is totally simple and easy to handle. Let me show you how to add your custom domain in the following video coming up next. Stay tuned.